This is just a resource I want to share about Google Classroom that I saw on TikTok from Sir Tyler Tarver, and it's how to send mass emails to your students in Google Classroom. And so what you do is you go and you find the assignment that you want, and for my example, I'm just going to use the grades, but you can do it in classwork or whatever assignment you wanted. I'm just choosing grades because it'll show me a quick little layout of this assignments that are missing for the students. So if I go into the assignment, let's just pick this one for example, and I go in here and I can see that this student has a missing assignment. What I do is right up here is a email selected student. So right now it's grayed out, but if I click on the assigned box here, now it becomes darker and I can click on this and it will now generate an email for me to send to the students. And so what you'll see when this loads up here, you will only see the one student because this is my demo class. But if it sends to multiple students, you will see up here that the students, all the student emails get populated, but they get populated in the BCC, which is the blind carbon copy. And so students aren't able to see which other students have received a copy of the email. So what you do is you paste in whatever you want to say in your email. So for example, here's what I'm going to say. And then you just click send at the bottom, and I'll show you what it looks like on the student end. I'm just going to send my email. It is loading the email. And it looks like my email has been sent. Great. So I'm going to go to the student part now. So here's the student email. And I'm just going to refresh until I get the email from the teacher. So you will see here, it comes in from you as the teacher. It populates the subject line, which is the assignment that is in there, but you can change the subject line to whatever you like. And then if I open the email address, or I open the email, you'll see the assignment was due last week. Please complete the assignment. So it populates it with the information that you put in your email to the students. So I thought a good resource for teachers to utilize within Google Classroom, and something I didn't know and thought that I would share with you.